Hello again, it's Justin from Fly Lady coming to you with my third installment of Men Can Cook. This evening, I am going to be doing one of my personal favorite meals, the Southern Fish Fry. Now this meal is a little bit special to me because my granddaddy used to cook this for me almost twice a week where I grew up in Tennessee. And this evening, we're in North Carolina and it's a little bit of a chilly evening. And we have breeze blowing, but it's okay. I'm getting ready to fire up the burners that has peanut oil in it. And if you don't know anything about a fish fry, it's not just a southern thing. You can fry fish all over the planet. We brought this over from England. They love to fry fish, as with fish and chips. But with the southern fry, as how I grew up watching it being done by my grandfather, was pretty much just whatever fish he could catch, crappie, catfish. He would roll it in cornmeal, he would deep fry it, and he would pair this with French fries, slaw, and some things like that. And for tonight's meal, I'm going to be pairing it with French fries. We're going to add something a little different. We're going to do some sweet potato fries. We're also going to have fried okra. And if you don't know what okra is, you need to Google it. It is a great vegetable. You can fry it, you can pickle it, and for tonight we're going to bread it in cornmeal and fry it. Also, we're going to have our hush puppies, which are just amazing. And if you don't know what hush puppy is, it's also made out of cornmeal. And as you can tell, the whole theme for tonight is it revolves around cornmeal and peanut oil. So get ready to watch this. It's great. With this meal, we also like to pair fresh slaw, which is really good. We also like to have pickles, fresh dill pickles if you have them, and it makes for a great meal. So just enjoy and see the rest of the video, and I'll show you how to do it.
Begin by preparing your fish fillets with your cornmeal breading, which you use to bread your fish fillets with, 3 or 4 eggs that you're going to beat into a bowl. Add a little milk. You're going to roll the fillets in this before you drop them into the fish fry breading. As you can see right here, I'm cutting the fillets into smaller pieces and dropping them in the cornmeal and zip up the bag and shake it around. Prepare your fryers, and always remember, be very careful with peanut oil and live flame open burning fryers. Never get the oil hotter than 400 degrees. For our fry, I like to keep it around 375 to 350. If you drop frozen French fries or frozen food into it, you're going to need to make sure that you don't have any kind of boil over. I like sweet potato fries, fried okra. Sometimes I do onion rings, but for this one we just did French fries and drop them into the hot oil. Only takes just a few minutes and your fish is done. It starts to float when it's all just right. And as you can see here, we've got it all done. Looks great, pretty tasty. Enjoy. And here are the hush puppies. And here's your finished product. Add your favorite sauces and you're ready to go.